is where most people make that very big mistake. They just come back, then get their beauty sponge and just set it. No. So this is what you're going to do. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl, Shades by Brownie. So if you're new here, thank you guys for stopping by, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you. I love you guys so much. Today we're going to be treating a very important topic: how to avoid your under eye from creasing. Yes, I've gotten my skincare and my foundation on, so the next thing we're going to go in with concealer. I'm just going to apply my concealer now. So for me, I always like applying my concealer one at a time, then I'll blend this side before going to the other part. My concealer is all blended out, so here is where the mistake most people make come in. After you finish applying your concealer, either go do the contour first, or probably you're looking for their setting powder to set the face. And while doing that, they forget, if you leave your under eye for so long, when you're moving it, you're not steady. It will end up having lines of looking for whatever it is you're looking for. Your under eye will crease because you're not steady, you're moving around. So to avoid that, when you're done looking for what you're looking for, or you're done with your contour or your blush, all you have to do is get your beauty sponge and your setting powder. Before you go in setting it, this is where most people make that very big mistake. They just come back, then get their beauty sponge and just set it. No. So this is what you're going to do. Before you set your under eye, you go all over. The parts which you use in concealing, there should be little amount of concealer on it. So you just want to go all over and dabbing into it. Just blend it out to remove those lines. That's the reason you're doing that, okay? So you go all over, do it one at a time. Don't do both at the same time. If you're setting these parts, you blend it out first. You can see how I'm doing it. You blend it out first, then you use your setting powder to set. In that way, you're going to avoid creasing. If you take a closer look, you're going to see the difference. But you're going to do the same thing on the other eyes. Another reason why your under eye crease is because you put primer under your eyes. Always avoid primer under the eyes. You can either use a moisturizer, an eye cream, a serum. That goes well, but primer, always avoid primer under the eyes. So we've come to the end of today's video. I hope this tip was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you guys in my next video.